Good morning. Thanks for starting your day with us. I'm Avan Dabaj. This is The Market, and with me is our managing editor, Nikunj Dalmia, as well as Ajay Sharma. And you've got quite a bit of green on the screen yesterday. We wrapped up the day with a flourish, to say the least, as we conquered the 17,900 mark with conviction, a nice gain of about 0.5%. And it was across the board as well that you saw the traction picking up. So heavyweights like Bajaj Auto, Bajaj Finance, SBI Life, L&T, JSW Steel, all really supporting the markets. The Nifty Bank as well, it was a commendable move with a solid 7% gain. So safe to say, Nikunj, that we closed the April series with quite a flourish. I mean, the March series.
Where are you joining us from? Aren't you supposed to be in the studio?
I am supposed to be in the studio, but this is the marvel of technology, Nikunj.
And it is the marvel of the Indian markets, Avan, that we've seen a solid comeback in the month of April. What a comeback it's been. Exactly a month ago, we were discussing, debating, deliberating a breakdown trade. Now, what are we focusing on? A breakout trade. And the breakout has happened. 17,700, 17,800, a bit of a wrestling match has happened in last couple of days, but eventually I think it's the bulls who got an edge now. And believe me or not when I say it, and purely based on data and anecdotal evidence, that even though markets have seen a straight line move, 1,000 points on the Nifty, about 8-9% on the bank Nifty, rollovers are low. Yeah, rollovers are low. Optimism is just not there. Naysayers are there. Disbelievers are there. And that's a typical point which I continue to maintain will continue to fuel the markets higher. So like I said at the beginning of April, it's time to go bullish, it's time to stay bullish, and it's time to stay invested. This market, I think, in this leg of rally is not done with its peak. The peak is yet to come. The best way to navigate is to stay in this market. Don't look at the noise, because the temptation to look at global cues and sell in the month of May and go away is going to be there. But I think it's that pattern which we need to understand, from an oversold market to a market which will be fueled because of skepticism, and then there would be participation. I think we are in the phase 2. The phase 3 is yet to come.
In fact, Nikunj, you'll be surprised that though we are talking about the best series in 6 months, the mid cap and small cap end of the action has been even higher, almost 8-10% rebound coming in the mid cap, small cap end of the market. To a large extent, this optimism in India, or I'll say a healthy dollop of positive global cues, also have been on the helping side. A lot of economic data has been on the lower end, the engineered slowdown we've been talking about, and that is giving market a hope that perhaps this weakness in economic data could hold the hand of the Fed.